Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to share my another techniques. Kung good stick, piece of lefty, piece of this trend strategy. Please be careful to use and handle this. This is to all beginners. Using Kung Fu with our stick, lefty strategy. For that, please subscribe, click the bell, so follow me Facebook and TikTok. Kung Fu lefty of this strategy. Step 1, level 1, to all beginners. How to use double stick Kung Fu in a lefty strategy. Tandaan po sa pagkain nito. Next, no? Beginners, dandahan nila lamang po ang paggamit ito. Use handle either left or right in a lefty. Make sure make a balance to be like this. Sige, no? Balance siya. Also this one. Either left or right, it's okay. Kung saan ka komportable. Sige, no? On this level. Kung Fu lefty, subcartido strategy. Sige, no? The conversion, Kung Fu and cartido. First, roll, then lock. Sige, no? May pangkawit siya, lock, lock something like this. Lock. Either left or right, lefty, it's okay, no problem. Sige, no? Kung saan ka komportable. So guys, pangkawit. Sige, no? Ginawitan mo yung kalaban ng armas. Is talaga namang wala siyang kawala. Yan si guys, no? Magdandahan lamang po sa mga beginners. All criminologies. And also ROTC. This is the best for all of you. In self-defense, Kung Fu. Either in competition. With ito guys. Guys, no? Best of veterans. I remember this technique when I was 8 years old. My grandpa was teaching me this. Learn how to roll the long stick with arrow. May arrow siya guys, kaya magdandahan lamang po. Yes, guys, no? And then kick out, pa, kick, turn, pa. Yes. Yes, no? It's a beginners, all beginners. Dandahan lamang po sa paggamit nito. Sige, no? Roll, test, and then pack. Sige, no? Dandahan lamang po guys. So pisa, huwag niyo pong biglain sa mga student. Sige, no? And then cock, step 1, level 1 to all beginners. Sige, no? 3 counts of strategy. Sige, no? Has to be like this. So guys, no? All beginners. It's so simple. Roll, go like this, then touch, Again. Make sure the long stick is a balancing. That's to be like this. Make a balance the long stick in your two hands, side by side. Guys, no? Balance na guys, dun mo na siya gagamitin. If depend, left or right, it's okay. Kung saan ka komportable. Guys, no? Make sure ito guys is nakaharap. Pagkawit mo and then attack this one. This is good to all student. ROTC. Also criminologists. Ginagamit din ito guys sa kompetisyon. Guys, no? All in the countries. You want to fight me in a competition. I want to fight in a competition. Kung Fu Combat Kali strategy. Guys, no? So, Brother Hodge, ano you understand me? This is to my communities. And also, the victim of Brother Hodge, veterans. Lock, kick, step. It depend guys kung saan posisyon, kung saan kang lugar komportable. Dito tayo guys sa bangin, medyo madulas din ngayon ng mga bato at mga kung saan madulas tayo ng parte at madadamo. Kasi guys, no, kahit saan posisyon guys, depende rin guys kung saan posisyon at kung saan level. Kasi guys, no, guys, no, magdandahan lamang po. Please be careful to use and handle this in the first time, the beginners. Make sure make a balance the long stick, either left or right, it's okay, no problem. Okay, guys, no? The pump strategy o balancing. Yes. Guys, no? The first time sa mga beginners, dandahan lamang po. Guys, no? Again. All beginners, it's simple. So guys, magdandahan lamang po sa umpisa. So guys, no? All beginners. Please be careful to use and handle this. Again, make sure make a balance the long stick. Okay? Again, all beginners, dandahan lamang po. Make sure a balance the long stick, your two hands, and then it depends the level is the position. And then kick. 3 counts of strategy. Tutulak ni combat cartido in this strategy. So all beginners, again, make sure make a balance at the long stick in your two hands, either left or right, it's okay. Wide arrow. So guys, no, may arrow siya guys, kaya kung dandahan ka. Sa mga beginners, dandahan lamang po. So guys, no, roll your left under in the arrow stick, and then touch the neck, kick, turn. So like this. Thank you so much. Yes guys, no? And sa mga beginners po, ulitin natin, dandahan lamang po. To all students, beginners, especially to all criminologists, ROTC. With this inyo to guys. Guys, no? Yan. Yes guys, no? Make sure guys, the balancing if your 2 feet, 2 hands, and your 2 feet make a comfortable. So guys, no? Kailangan guys, komportable din yung paa mo. Huwag kang mag-roll ng yung paa mo ay pabaliktad. Ganito, tatamaan ang yung paa. So make sure na sa pagbabalancing mo, yung feet mo, you attack the left and the arrow stick. Your feet is to be both has to be like this. Okay, no? And then make it ready in your second practice strategy. Okay, no? Foot step like this. Do not roll your long stick if your feet to be like this. Your foot. You got accident. Step as forward to be like this. If the long stick with arrow in the left hand, step also left in your foot. Has to roll to be like this. You can attack, step, lock, then put your hand to be like this. Roll, lock me, has to be. Make sure you got like this. Thank you so much. Why? Tol. Ito tutorial o boxing, kickboxing, karate, taekwondo, harness. It's not all stolen. Again, make sure if you're long foot, either right. If using right, in a low stick with arrow, also put your feet, foot, step, right foot on this position. If you can use the arrow stick in the right hand, also step your foot, right foot. Understood? Yes guys, no? Naway may natutunan tayo. Yes guys, no? And then go like this. Yan. Thank you so much. Yes guys, no? Again, all students, beginners, make sure make a balance in your long stick, especially in the arrow stick. Pwede ka guys ma-accident. To avoid accident, make sure the balancing of your hand to hands with the arrow, also arrow stick is comfortable. Also your feet is also in the procedure of your step. If you are a right-hander, now if you are a left in the with arrow stick, you also step forward left. If you are using a left, turn slowly for the beginners, and then back, kick, down, roll. Your practice strategy is to be ready to counter attack. Okay, thank you so much. Yes guys, now. And thank you so much. And to viewers, yes guys, no, I preach tutorial boxing, kickboxing, Muay Thai, karate, taekwondo, harness. Thank you so much. And welcome to my vlog.